Hey, Tech Guide Ninjas here. Hope you're having a good day today. So today we're looking at how to make a fading image in Canva. So as you can see, I've got my design open and I've got like a colourful background and two lovely ladies on there. But it's really obvious that their bodies have been cut in half. So he's got a really sharp bottom. So to make them blend in, I could use an app called Easy Reflections. So I'll show you how to do that now. So on the left hand side, I'm going to click onto the apps and search Canva apps. I'm going to type in Easy Reflections and I'm going to click on the top one. And then I'm going to use this app to blend the bottom of my images. So you can see it's already chosen one of my images. And I'm going to make sure I click above so it hits the bottom of the image. Then I'm going to turn the opacity right up. And then the offset is how much of a blend you want. You can see as I take it right up, quite a lot of the image is blended. And if I bring it down a bit more, it's a bit more of a subtle fade. So I'm going to leave mine around sort of 30 something. Then I'm going to click on add to design. So the image will be upside down. So I'm going to click on it and flip it so it's gone the right way up. If I just bring it down, you can see how much it's faded compared to the original image. So when I put her up onto the background, you can see she blends nicely into the colour, so it looks a bit more natural. So then I can just delete her, and then I'm going to go and do the same for the other lady. So I'm just going to click on go back, click on create reflection, click on above again. I'm going to turn the opacity up and I'm just going to play around with the offset. So have it again around sort of 34, 35. Quite like the look at that. Then I'm going to add it to the design. And again, let's just turn her the right way up and bring it down, and you can see how much it's been blended and faded at the bottom. So when I put her onto my background as well, she fades into the background a bit more. So I'll delete that one. And you can see they fade into the image just to make it a little bit more natural. So that's it. That's how to create a fade in Canva. I hope that was helpful. Please like the video and subscribe. I will see you soon.